Hello, and we're on day 11 of the Electronic Sound Advent Calendar. Well, I guess we'll see what's in the behind the door. Oh, it's another small one, and it's another capacitor. And we've got, oh, what's on there? It's 104 again. Oh, let's get it focused. And I think that's 100 nanofarad. Should we go? We'll check today's entry in the book. And this time I'll try not to give any spoilers for the day after. There we go. There's the no spoilers version. So they're going to put another 100 nanofarad component, a capacitor, which you can connect in series with the existing one. Okay, so it'll change the frequency because I guess it'll increase the capacitance we can have. So where do we put it? Okay, so I need to splay each less. And that means the existing one I need to splay it a bit less as well. Okay, like that. One thing I'm always paranoid about when you wiggle the leads in these is that they'll eventually work themselves loose, and you don't want that. And there we go. And that is going again to that middle pin here. So this should hear a sound of a lower frequency. Now hold on, this increases the sound frequency. Press and hold the button and use the trim to set its the highest possible audio frequency. When you release the button, you'll hear a sound of a lower frequency. Aha! They've kind of done what I've done here. They've done it with a button down here. You see? So they've actually changed and put a wire here. I'm probably going to stick with my slight change to their circuit because it allows me to have two buttons. But it's pretty much the same thing. Whoops. I didn't see they'd done that. Okay, well, let's see. So circuit diagram won't really change. All we've changed beyond this bit that I've now added is the two capacitors. Or we've made this capacitance bigger. What we could always do is do a revised circuit diagram showing these two buttons, or showing this additional use of a button, which we did in that bonus segment yesterday. Let's have a go and see what it sounds like. So turn it on. We can go all the way down. And let's get that in shot. So I guess there's still a place past which it doesn't sound particularly great. So I hope you've enjoyed today's electronic sound calendar, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next component. Bye.